Hello, Clara. Can you hear me? It is raining very hard here at home.
Yes, George. I can hear you, but the supermarket is quite noisy.
Are you safe from the rain? Did you take the umbrella with you?
Yes, I have my big blue umbrella. I am inside the shop now, completely dry.
Good. The sky is very dark outside, and the wind is strong.
Don't worry, dear. I am buying the ingredients for our family dinner.
Excellent. Are you getting the vegetables and the chicken?
Yes, I have the chicken, but the vegetables do not look very fresh today.
That is fine. Just buy some potatoes and carrots instead.
Good idea. I will also buy some warm soup for this cold, rainy weather.
That sounds perfect. I am making a hot cup of tea for us right now.
Wonderful. Please close all the windows so the rain does not come inside.
I already closed them. Take your time and drive home very safely.
I will, George. I am walking to the checkout counter right now.
See you soon, my dear. I am waiting for you at home.
See you in 20 minutes, George. Goodbye.